Hi guys, it's Sierra from Lawrence Mitsubishi. Today I'm going to show you guys how to access your voice recognition on your vehicle. To access the voice recognition, you will push this button right here on your steering wheel.
A short press of the voice recognition key will activate the system's voice recognition. A long press of the key will activate the voice recognition of your smartphone. Please press the key. Please speak after the beep.
Help.
Help. To make a call from the address book, say address book. To dial a phone number, say dial a number. To make a call from the incoming or outgoing calls list, say redial. For audio controls, say the audio source name, such as FM, or the audio function you wish to use, such as Seek Up. For Bluetooth and other system settings, say settings, or to end voice recognition, say end.
Settings.
Settings. Now changing Bluetooth settings. To change the telephone device that is connected, say select phone. To change the Bluetooth audio device that is connected, say select Bluetooth audio device. Or to change the phone lock settings, say phone lock.
Back.
Back. Please speak after the beep.
Sirius XM.
Sirius XM. Now switching to Sirius XM.
And that's how you access the voice recognition on your Mitsubishi. If you have any questions, comment down below and also hit that like and subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.